Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to this channel and let's see our today's video and that is practice test on unit 2। तो यूनिट 2 के ऊपर 50 मार्क्स की हमने एक प्रैक्टिस टेस्ट बनाई है जहाँ पे एक सवाल पूछा जाएगा और उस सवाल के कुछ ऑप्शंस आपको वहाँ पे जवाब के तौर पे दिए जाएंगे। आपको सही ऑप्शन बस चूज करना है। तो सही ऑप्शन चूज करने के लिए आपको 5 सेकेंड्स का समय दिया जाएगा या तो फिर आप वीडियो पॉज करके भी आंसर दे सकते हो। तो आपको कितने मार्क्स मिलने वाले हैं इसके लिए साथ में पेन और पेपर भी रखिए जिससे एट लास्ट आपको पता चल जाएगा। सो यूनिट 2 में जो 2.6 साइंस एंड स्पिरिचुअलिटी ये जो लेसन है उसे ओमिट कर दिया गया है। हमारे बोर्ड एग्जाम में इसके ऊपर कोई सवाल नहीं आएंगे। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस टेस्ट। तो पहले 10 सवाल 2.1 एनिमल्स पोएम से। चूज करेक्ट अल्टरनेटिव। फर्स्ट, एनिमल्स डू नॉट वर्शिप अदर एनिमल्स। ऑप्शंस ट्रू, फॉल्स। And correct option is true. Second, animals are not self-reliant. Options true, false. Correct option is false. Third, the poet of the poem Animals has written all his natural virtues. Options true, false. False is a correct option. Fourth, meaning of the word seen. Options show, mental illness, failing to take proper care, and offense against religious or moral law. An offense against religious or moral law is correct option. Fifth, meaning of the word evince. Options show, mental illness, failing to take proper care, and offense against religious or moral law. Show is correct option. Sixth, the poet wishes that he could turn and live with dash dash. Options God, devils, animals, his relatives. Animals is correct option. Seventh, animals do not complain about their dash dash. Options habitat, condition, food, action. Condition is the correct option. 8. Rhyme scheme of the poem Animals. Options blank verse, AA BB AA, free verse, AB AB AB. Free verse is the correct option. 9th, they do not sweat and whine about their condition. Choose correct figures of speech. Options tautology, inversion, metaphor, repetition. Tautology is the correct option because the words sweat and whine have same meaning. 10th, not one is respectable or unhappy over the whole earth. Options tautology, repetition, synecdoche, hyperbole. Hyperbole is the correct option because it is an overstatement. So next 10 questions are from 2.2, the 3 questions. 11th, the king wanted to know about right dash dash. Options person, place and time, place, time and action, time, person and action. Time, person and action is correct option. 12. The hermit spoke usually to everyone. Options: it is true, it is false. False is a correct option. 13th, dash dash helped the king to get answers about his questions. Options: the counselor, the hermit, the priest, the doctor. The hermit is a correct answer. 14th, the person the king saved and helped was his enemy. Options: it is true, it is false. True is a correct option. 15th, choose correct character trait of the king. Options: enlightened, feeble, patient, eager to succeed. Eager to succeed is correct option. 16th, the king wanted to know dash dash time to begin everything. Options: right, exact, proper, good. Right is the correct answer. 17th, why did the hermit not give the answers to the king earlier? Options: because the hermit didn't know the answers earlier, because the hermit wanted to give the answers practically, because the hermit was selfish and wanted his own profit. The second option is correct. 18. Choose correct an adverb that collocates with breathe. Options: hurriedly, heavily, hardly, calmly. Heavily is the correct answer. 19th, choose correct compound word, that is undertake, from the following jumbled words. 3 options have been given. And third option is correct. 20th, he just spat on his hand and resumed digging. Choose correct non-finite verb. Options: spat, resumed, digging. Digging is correct option because remaining 2 are finite verbs. Next 10 questions from 2.3 connecting the dots. 21st, Steve Jobs was chairman, CEO and co-founder of dash dash company. Options: Apple, Dell, Microsoft, Samsung. Apple is correct option. 22nd, Steve Jobs discontinued Reed College after the first dash dash months. Options: 5, 6, 7, 8. Six is correct option. 23rd, Mac is the short form of dash dash computer. Options: Macedonia, Macmillan, Macintosh. Macintosh is a correct option. 24th, how did the calligraphy classes help Steve Jobs after 10 years? Options: he used that knowledge to make beautiful posters. He used that knowledge to take lectures on calligraphy. He used that knowledge while designing the computer. Third option is correct. 25th, the second story of Steve Jobs is dash dash. Options: death, love and loss, connecting the dots. Love and loss is correct option. 26th, Steve Jobs was diagnosed with dash dash. Options: lung cancer, throat cancer, blood cancer, pancreatic cancer. Pancreatic cancer is correct option. 27. Choose correct meaning of intuition. Options: the power believed to control events, power to understand situations or people's feelings beforehand, causing great destruction. Second option is correct. 28. Meaning of the phrase sign off. Options: stop publishing, removed signature, did signature. Stop publishing is correct option. 29. Contraction form of will not. Options: willn't, wouldn't, won't, wint. Won't is the correct option. 30th. I have always wished that for myself. Identify the tense. Options: simple present tense, continuous present tense, perfect present tense, and perfect continuous present tense. Perfect present tense is correct option. Next 10 questions from the poem 2.4 The Pulley. 31st. According to the poem The Pulley, God first gave man dash dash quality. Options: wisdom, honor, strength, pleasure. Strength is the correct answer. 32. Herbert's poem The Pulley displays dash dash as two main themes. Options: origins and morality or spirituality, origin of species, origin of universe or galaxy, origin of earth or space. First option is correct. 33. God tries to man his devotee by making him dash dash. Options: restless, rich, knowledgeable, strong. Restless is correct option. 34. In the poem, the pulley is considered dash dash. Options: a mechanical device, a gift to mankind, an image to lift objects, an image by which God compels people to become devout. So fourth option is correct. 35. Which quality left in the bottom of the blessings glass? Options: wisdom, rest, strength, pleasure. Rest is the correct option. 36. Let us, said he, pour on him all we can. In this line, the word he refers dash dash. Option: man, woman, God, animal. So correct option is God. 37. Choose the correct meaning of perceiving. Options: noticing, give as a gift to, collect together, love very much. Noticing is correct option. 38. Dash dash is an example of synecdoche from the poem The Pulley. Option: so both should losers be, then beauty float, may toss him to my breast, rest in the bottom lay. So correct option is may toss him to my breast, because here the word breast shows whole God. 39. Dash dash is an example of pun figures of speech from the poem The Pulley. Options: so both should losers be, then beauty flowed, may toss him to my breast, rest in the bottom lake. Correct option is rest in the bottom lake, because here rest has two meanings. 40. The rhyme scheme of the poem is dash dash. Options: free verse, blank verse, ABCBC, ABABA. ABABA is a correct option. So last 10 questions from 2.5, let's march. 41. Kailash Satyarthi refers as a brother to dash dash. Option: Tom Harkin, Malala, Kalu Kumar, Iqbal Masih. Tom Harkin is a correct option. 42. According to Mr. Satyarthi, his journey from dash dash to dash dash is a connect between the two centers of global peace and brotherhood. Options: India to US, India to Japan, India to Norway, India to Russia. And correct option is India to Norway. 43. Why did Kailash Satyarthi say that he was unable to present a lecture? Options: because he was feeling ill, because he was not prepared for that, because he was representing millions of child laborers, because he forgot his papers. So third option is correct. 44. According to Mr. Satyarthi, what are the biggest challenge or crisis knocking on the doors of humankind? Options: poverty and global warming, fear and intolerance, illiteracy and corruption. Fear and intolerance is correct option. 45. According to Mr. Satyarthi, the shackles of slavery cannot be stronger than quest for freedom. Options: it is right, it is wrong. Yes, it is right. 46. Why do Mr. Satyarthi call upon all the governments, intergovernmental agencies, businesses, faith leaders, workers, teachers and NGOs and each of us? Options: to show unity in us, to kill the gangsters, to put an end to all forms of violence against children, to remove poverty from the society. And third option is correct. 47. Choose correct meaning of the word exploitation. Options: explosion, misuse, employment. Misuse is correct option. 48. Choose correct adverb form of global. Options: globalize, globe, globally. Correct option is globally. 49. Kill not your children because of poverty. Choose correct types of sentence. Options: assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence. Imperative sentence is correct option because it is an order. Last sentence: why didn't you come earlier? Choose correct assertive sentence. Options: you did not come earlier, you should have come earlier, why did you come late, did you come earlier? And correct option is you should have come earlier. तो स्टूडेंट्स अब देखिए आपके मार्क्स कितने हुए, काउंट कीजिए। आप कमेंट सेक्शन में वहाँ पे कमेंट कर सकते हो कि सर मुझे इतने मार्क्स मिले। कि अगर किसी क्वेश्चन में डाउट है तो वो भी आप पूछ सकते हो कमेंट सेक्शन में। तो स्टूडेंट्स, मुझे लगता है कि आपको ये वाली मेथड अच्छी लगी होगी। अगर अच्छी लगी और अगर नेक्स्ट यूनिट पे अगर ऐसा ही वीडियो चाहते हो तो डेफिनेटली वहाँ पे कमेंट कीजिए। I would really like to make such videos for you. So thank you so much for watching the whole video and subscribing this channel. Bye bye.